or is there any difference? Hey my kitty cats, I'm your host Manvi, and today we are going to review the new ANR, new Advanced Night Repair Serum Multi-Recovery Complex, and I have the bottle here, right here with me. I have reviewed the 2013 version of Estee Lauder ANR, and I've been very honest in my review that I did not like the previous version. I mean that I liked it, but I did not like it for the money. I felt that it needed more, especially for the price we pay for it, but now they have renewed the formula. I have the 2020 version, so we will compare both of these two together and the changes that they made in the new Advanced Night Repair Serum. So let's get started with the review, and I will share my review without any hesitation, my honest opinions only, and by the end of this video you will know if you want to invest in this serum or not. Okay, so let's get started with this video. They have had 5 versions of this serum, and after a few years of research they renewed their formula, and the first serum was launched in 1982. They have had 38 years of this serum, which is pretty consistent. This is alcohol free, essential oil free, fragrance free, but it does have added colorant to it. So we will learn about the ingredient and the ingredient list and the changes that they made in the new ANR, which makes it powerful. I feel this is my spoiler alert to you. So the very first ingredient we will talk about is BIFIDA FERMENT LYSATE. It is a probiotic ingredient. It protects your skin against the UV damage, and it has the DNA repair activity, and it is also very good for sensitive skin type. It has sodium hyaluronic, which is a form of hyaluronic acid. So let me show you a test which I learned in the event launch of ANR, and you can do this on any serum which has hyaluronic acid. So let me show you the magic of hyaluronic acid. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this ANR on my hand, just 1 drop of it, and then massage it into my hand. So this is the hand which is treated with hyaluronic acid serum, and this is without any hyaluronic acid serum. Spray some water on my hand which has nothing, 5 pumps of it, and water is rolling down on my wrist. And now I will spray 5 pumps of this water on my hand which is treated with ANR. 5 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's holding the water so well. There is no rolling down of water on my hand, and that is the power of hyaluronic acid. This serum also has yeast extract, which is a silky clear liquid. It forms a film, a layer on your skin, and protects your skin. It has chamomile flower extract, which has skin toning and skin soothing properties, and it also has bisabolol, which is the active part of chamomile, again soothing for your skin. And it also has caffeine, antioxidant. It also has a derivative of algae. It also has SQUALANE, which is a very moisturizing and non-oily dry oil. It has glycerin, and it also has vitamin E acetate, which is a more stable form of vitamin E. Now let's talk about the changes that they made in the new ANR. So in the new ANR there are 3 new ingredients, and first one is DIGITATA seed extract. DIGITATA seed extract boosts the cell renewal, and it boosts the collagen production, which was missing in the previous version of ANR, and I always felt that the previous version of ANR needed something more, and now they have perfected the formula. DIGITATA seed extracts are also rich in fatty acids and vitamin A. Vitamin A is your retinoid derivatives or your retinols, and your retinoids, what they do, that they increases the skin cell renewal by 15-20 days. Normally this process takes 30 to 35 days, but retinoids speed up the process, and when you age, with the age this process also slows down. So we need more actives like your glycolic acid to exfoliate your skin, or your retinols. Second new ingredient is probiotics mix, which keeps the natural biome of your skin surface healthy. And the third new ingredient is sodium RNA. I also read an article where they mentioned that the new formula is backed with 7 years of research, epigenetics research, and the whole idea behind this epigenetics research is that the 25% of aging is predetermined by genes, and the 75% is affected by environment and environmental factors, which means that the 75% of aging can be controlled. In my personal opinion, if you use skincare consistently and long term, then the lot of damage can be reversed, and I have better skin in my 30s than I had in my 20s, and I'm being very very candid about it, and it's all because of the skincare, because I took care of my skin. Texture of the new ANR and the old ANR is almost the same. It's silky and non-oily, and I feel that when I use the new ANR for the first time, I woke up with a brightening effect on my face, and there was a visible change in my skin. And when I used the older version, previous version of ANR, I felt that my skin was hydrated, but I did not see any brightening effect, and this is a major difference. So the big question is, do I recommend the new ANR? Yes, I do. I'm in love with this new formula. I used it for 45 days and it made my skin plump, glowy, and it made my skin texture smooth. So if you are a teenager, you definitely do not need it because it's an investment. But you can start in your late 20s and your 30s and try the mini version first. They also have the mini version, and then go for the bigger bottle. And times are hard now, and if something like this ANR can set you back financially, then I wouldn't recommend it. Try the mini version and then decide if it's really worth. And honestly, there are so many serums out there in the market, so I would say spend your money wisely. Personally, I'm in love with the new formula. I really like it and I definitely recommend this. Try the mini version and then go for the full bottle. It's an investment. And that's all for today, my kitty cats. I hope you liked all the information and research that I put behind my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And one more thing before going, I personally feel that the DIGITATA seed extract, which is rich in retinoid, really did it for me. Like, it nailed it.